Slider windows are a popular choice for Eagle homes thanks to their sleek design, easy operation, and wide outdoor views. They work especially well in modern and transitional homes, offering smooth horizontal movement and excellent ventilation. But beyond style and convenience, safety and security should be top priorities when selecting slider windows. If you're considering installing or replacing slider windows in your Eagle home, here are the key safety and security features to look for. Reinforced locking mechanisms. Basic latch locks may not provide the level of security today's homeowners expect. Modern slider windows often include upgraded locking systems designed to prevent forced entry. Look for dual-point locking systems. Metal cam locks instead of plastic components. Anti-lift devices that prevent the sash from being removed from the track. Dual locks secure the window at 2 points, making it harder to pry open. Anti-lift features are particularly important for horizontal slider windows, as they prevent someone from lifting the sash out from the outside. Impact-resistant or laminated glass. Glass strength plays a major role in window security. Laminated glass includes a durable interlayer between two panes that holds the glass together even if struck. Instead of shattering into pieces, the glass remains intact. Benefits of laminated or reinforced glass include increased resistance to break-ins, added protection from flying debris during storms, enhanced sound reduction for Eagle homeowners who value both security and durability. This feature offers extra peace of mind. Tempered safety glass. Tempered glass is another important safety feature. It is heat-treated to be stronger than standard glass and is designed to break into small, less harmful pieces if shattered. Tempered glass is often required in certain areas of the home for safety compliance and is especially beneficial in ground-level slider windows. Strong, durable frame materials. The window frame itself is just as important as the glass. High-quality slider windows are typically built with reinforced vinyl frames, fiberglass frames, multi-chambered construction. For added strength, vinyl frames with internal reinforcement provide both security and insulation. In Eagle's seasonal climate, durable materials also resist warping and expansion, which helps maintain a tight seal over time. Secure track design. Because slider windows operate on horizontal tracks, the design of the track system affects security. Look for features such as deep interlocking rails, reinforced track systems, anti-derail mechanisms. These elements make it more difficult to force the window open or remove it from the frame. Proper sealing and installation. Even the most secure window won't perform properly if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures tight fitting within the opening, secure anchoring to structural framing. Proper insulation and sealing. A poorly installed window may have gaps that weaken both energy efficiency and security. Child safety considerations. For families in Eagle, child safety is also important. Slider windows can include features such as vent stops to limit how far the window opens, locking mechanisms that are easy for adults but difficult for children, smooth glide tracks that reduce the risk of sudden slamming. These features help balance ventilation with safety. Smart security integration. Some modern slider windows are compatible with home security systems. Sensors can be installed to alert you if a window is opened or tampered with. This added layer of monitoring provides reassurance whether you're home or away. Protecting your Eagle home with confidence. Slider windows offer beauty and functionality, but the right safety and security features ensure they also protect your home effectively. From reinforced locks and laminated glass to durable frames and professional installation, each component plays a role in strengthening your home's defense. For Eagle homeowners seeking comfort, peace of mind, and reliable performance, choosing slider windows with advanced safety features is a smart and lasting investment.